Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey. Hey y'all. Hey world. So I'm back with another video. I know it's crazy to say because it's like 10 years later, but I'm just like, it's time. Like, what are you waiting for? Because at one point this was your passion too. This was one of your passions. Like, yeah, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get back to it because I love making tutorials and I just feel like, you know, and I love teaching. Like, let me teach you how to slay your face, because people are always like, I love makeup but I don't know how to do makeup. Well, that's why us lovely beauty YouTubers, beauty influencers are here to help you slay your face at home, okay? So first we're gonna do our brows. So I already prepped my face. So what I like to do is I put cocoa butter and then I put the vitamin enriched face base. It's literally 10 out of 10. So this is the vitamin enriched face base. So this is a primer and a moisturizer. So like it primes and helps to grip your makeup, but also moisturizes, and it has vitamin C, so it helps brighten and even the skin tone. And I mean, I know it's been forever, so you guys don't know, but I actually work at Bobbi Brown, at a Bobbi Brown counter. And literally before I started working at that job, I had that in my makeup kit. Like, cause you guys know, like, your girl's an MUA. And I had the vitamin enrich inside my makeup kit. Like, it was always my go-to, like my holy grail. Cause I do notice a difference. When you don't use that vitamin enriched face base, you notice a difference. Like, if you want a nice smooth finish, I highly recommend. I feel like the key to that blur finish and that skin-like makeup is what's under that makeup, your skincare. Like, you have to exfoliate, use your toners. I mean, I don't use serums. You can use your serums, but moisturize, you know, washing your face, doing face masks, like taking care of your skin first is gonna help you to have that nice smooth finish. So my brows, I know they look super thin, but that's how I like them, because my brows, they grow thick, and I feel like when my brows grow thick, like I do them hella thick, like my brows take over my face, and I don't like that. So I did just you know, cut them down a little. So we're just gonna fill it. And also, y'all, I use a lot of Bobbi Brown products, and it's not because I work for Bobbi Brown, but like I actually like it. Like, I've done a lot of faces using the Bobbi Brown products, and what I love about Bobbi Brown is that it's super diverse. Like, they have colors for everyone, and I don't have to mix foundations, and it's natural. It's not very cakey or heavy, because like, I know I haven't been here for a while, but I'm not in that era no more. Like, I'm not in the bright colors. Remember, I used to do bright color eyes, the cut crease. I do miss me a cut crease. I'm just into the nice, natural, quick face beat. So anyways, before I talk y'all ears off, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown. It's actually an eyeshadow stick in the color Bark. I'm not gonna really go too in depth into the brows. If you guys want me to do an updated brow tutorial, I can, but let me tell y'all like my quick story. So I had ran out of my brow pomade, and I was like, let me use an eyeshadow stick, because these eyeshadow sticks, they don't move. Like, they stay on, they last. So I decided to use an eyeshadow stick, and I fell in love. Okay, so the brows is done. You see how natural they look? Like, this is what I like now. That we did our brows, now we're gonna move into skin, the moment y'all been waiting for. So I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown color corrector. This one is the shade Rich Peach. So it's in the peach family because I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation. So yeah, so just put it on those areas. And I like to use a puff to blend. I don't know, I've been using my puffs lately to blend out my concealers and my color correctors because I just feel like it really presses the product into your skin. So just blend it out. There should be no harsh lines. And if you're new to my channel, my biggest tip number 2 is blending is key. Like, blend your life away, okay? Like, that's the key to makeup, is blending. Because if you have a flawless blend, it looks natural, no harsh lines. You know, you can't see the difference from here to here. Everything's just blended and photo ready. So the next thing, we're gonna move into foundation. And I've been into my foundation stick era. Like, ever since I started working at Bobbi Brown, I was like, let me try the foundation stick and see. And I love it. Like, if you're a natural makeup girly and you don't like heavy looking, you want something quick and easy, get you a foundation stick. So this, I'm in the shade Warm Almond, and this is all you do. Glide it on there. And because especially like if you want to be quick with it, like we're in a rush, so I don't have time to do foundation and then do concealer and then do all of that. So the foundation, I like to put the foundation on half of my face, chin, little on your forehead, and then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer. This is the hydrating camel concealer. I love it. Love. And I just hope they never discontinue it or discontinue this color, because this color is perfect. The color I use is Deep Caramel. I actually need to get more. Like, you guys are gonna see this. I need to get more, but I love this e.l.f. concealer. But yeah, so I just put it under my eyes. These are your highlighted areas. So this is your highlighting process. And then I use 2 concealers, and then I'll use the Bobbi Brown full coverage concealer in the shade Golden. Tip is I like to let my concealer sit for like about 2 minutes. So while the concealer's sitting, I'm gonna blend out the foundation. And the foundation brush I use is the Morphe foundation brush. I love this one. This one is the M439 brush. Put it right here, M439. And this brush, it just, look how flawless that blends out. And you see how natural this looks? Like, it's still giving skin. Working at these different stores, makeup stores, I've grabbed so many tips, and that's why I'm like, girl, like, why are you not making these YouTube videos? Because you got all these tips. Like, you're literally played in makeup all day. Like, I used to work at Ulta. I was a luxury brand advisor, so I work with Dior, MAC, Natasha Denona, Hourglass, Pat McGrath, and I just played with so many different brands. So, like, you know, I got the recipe. Okay, so now you see how that looks? Like, this is just giving skin. So now I'm gonna blend out the concealer, and again, I like to use the puffs because I just really feel like it melts. So now that we set our concealer, this is my favorite go-to. If you don't have this, Huda Beauty, like when I tell y'all, this blurs my under eyes. Like people, when you see my makeup in person, like they're always like, how do you get your makeup so smooth? I'm like, again, like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, skincare, but this powder, you're gonna see, you're gonna watch. So first, before you set, you just want to blend it one more time, blend those creases out, and then I'm gonna go in with a different powder puff. This one's for my powder, and look up and press it into the skin. Y'all see this? Like, I can't make this up. Like, I don't even know if this, well, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see the end of the video. So just press it. So I just set my highlighted areas because like I said, I don't like that matte look, even if I decided to set my whole face, then I can just use a dewy setting spray. Look, I almost forgot, y'all. Y'all almost made me forget. Blend out the crease one more time before you set it, because once you set it, like, that's it. Oh, now we're gonna get into the bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance bronzer today. Like, I just feel like I keep coming back to this bronzer. Like, I keep coming back to Black Radiance because this is just like, it's my perfect everything. Before I was using the YSL, I still am using it, but this, I just feel like it just gives me what I need to give. So what I tell people about bronzing, because a lot of people don't know how to bronze, and that's okay. So it's literally a 3. So people, when they ask, because there's a difference between contouring and bronzing. Me, I like to bronze because I just feel like I naturally have like a very structured face, so I just feel like I need to, because what I tell people all the time, when you wear foundation, it makes your face flat. So bronzer, blush, that adds that warmth and definition back to your face. So contouring is more creating those features and really creating defined features. And bronzing, I feel like it's just bringing back your warmth and your natural features and natural definition back to your face. So that's the difference. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place. I need to get back onto my stuff because I'm trying to go to Juvia's Place's events. Like, I'm trying to meet other beauty girlies. But yeah, anyway, so this is the liquid highlighting blush. I love it. Like, me and this blush go together real, hold on, y'all, got something. We go together real bad. So this one is Pink Lady Glow, and I love it. I love it. Perfect. And honestly, like, I could just leave it as this, but I do like to add a powder blush on top. So I'm gonna be using the Dior in the shade, this is Cherry. And I realized that I like corals. Like, I like coral blushes. Like, I feel like corals look so good on my skin. So just a little, just to set it a little. So now highlights, and I'm gonna be using this highlight. I'm using as a mirror is the Fenty Beauty highlight. One thing I could say, this highlight is pricey, but it will last you forever. Like, y'all don't know how long I had this highlight, and I'm not gonna show y'all her because she's a bit like messy, but I've had this highlight for so long and I haven't had to buy another one. Like, y'all see that? Shine bright like a diamond. So then I like to add shine bright like a diamond to the inner corners of my eyes. I know, let's talk about it real quick. Hold on. Like, I know y'all want music from Riri, but I feel like y'all are just, come on, y'all. Like, she done gave us a clothing line. She done gave us sunglasses. She done gave us fragrance. She gives us makeup. She done gave us, what else? Pajamas, lingerie, bras, panties. Like, come on. Like, what else y'all need? I know we need her music, but you know, she got a lot of hits for us to play for the meantime. Like, I'll take the makeup. I'll take the Fenty gloss. I'll take the lip liners. Like, I'll take it all, okay? I know we miss her music, but like, she's cooking it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown black liner. I love this eyeliner. This is in the shade Panther. T. So this is the finished look. It's giving skin, it's giving blur, it's giving bada bing, bada boom. Like, y'all can do this too. And I really hope that you guys learned some tips and my video did help a lot. And let me know what you guys want to see from me. Comment below what else you guys want to see from me. I think I gotta think about what's gonna be my next video. I don't know. I guess you guys are just gonna have to find out. So you're gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Thanks for never giving up on me. Bye.